The Howard Village Board has decided to ban feeding most wildlife with some minor exceptions. I'm your Howard neighborhood reporter Perry Apostolakos. This marks the latest effort to curb the deer population following concerns. In a recent report, the village said the ordinance banning feeding is a step in reducing the deer herd in the village, and it can keep deer and other wildlife healthy. Now that the law has passed, Howard residents are not allowed to leave food outdoors on public or private property for feeding wildlife. Hand feeding is also now against the law for safety reasons and to stop the spread of disease. Kyla Hendricks lives near Spring Green Park.
I don't really think it's going to make a difference. I think the deer and the wildlife are going to find food elsewhere, whether it's from people or not. It's just kind of sad that they want the wildlife gone.
As far as enforcement, the village says they'll look to complaints from neighbors about others feeding animals, and they already have a few to look into. Ryan Hoffman has lived in Howard for nearly a decade.
There's a lot of geese, a lot of turkeys, a lot of deer. They're just in their territory. We're moving in on it. If you don't want to deal with this type of problem, then you should maybe consider thinking about where you're moving to.
Humane Officer Atkinson says if someone is caught not obeying the ordinance the first time, they would get a warning. Then the minimum fine would be $500, and after that, fines could reach up to $1,000. In Howard, Perry Apostolakos, NBC 26.